Rightio. This is a job I've been procrastinating over for a while. So now's the time to do it, I guess. But it's to put the decals onto the side of the camper. This is either going to go well or it's going to go terribly wrong. In the bin. So there you go. A bit of shopping during lockdown. Have a look at these. And we've got the steering wheel cover. It's got the Ford logo on it. Nice leather steering wheel cover. And also some seat belt protectors. So we'll go and put those on. That looks really nice. The leather steering wheel looks alright. It may not be New Zealand's best top model, but this works alright. But when the weather is good, this is what we do. We head off for the mountains. Well, during lockdown we go for walks. We're going to go up Mount Vic. All right, Mount Vic. Here we go. Or Mount Victoria as it's called. It's quite good. Still got further to go up the mountain, which is behind us. Still, where am I? Up there. So we'll see what the view's like up there. Good workout this is. And Tato Island. How they can go. Area over here is what we call North here. And this is a beautiful city. And over there is the harbour bridge. People come across by ferry, you can see the ferry here. There's Sky Town. Down the bottom here, this area in here is Devonport main commercial area, which is like a little village in the city. It's beautiful. And across to Hobson Bay and Akahu Bay. Beautiful, isn't it? So when you get to the top, I've got this model thing here which shows exactly where everything is. This is where the harbour bridge is, and then this is the East Coast Bays all the way up, beaches after beaches, and that is directly in front of us here. Heaps of beaches. I don't know how many beaches in total. Must be something like 20, 30, maybe even more beaches up the coast. Beautiful. And at the top we've got the disappearing gun. Sounds like it's haunted. But if we come over here and have a look, we can actually see the placement of the disappearing gun. So just come up the stairs here, and there it is. That's a disappearing gun, which as you can hear is haunted. And that's the signal station up there. Way beyond the other side of Rankota is the Caravan Peninsula. It goes all the way up in the distance. And mushrooms. We grow our own mushrooms up here. You see those mushrooms? We're famous for them. And that road you can see straight ahead, that dead straight bit of road, takes you back to Takapuna, main shopping area on the North Shore, where those skyscrapers are. And just in the foreground, just below that, is a big retirement village which has just gone up recently. I wonder if they mean my stomach, because it's getting close to lunchtime. But no, but here comes another one. Now this building, oh, they've got tennis courts on the left here. Public tennis courts. As you can see, we're in lockdown, so not many people are using them. But this building on the right, this house here, is a writer's retreat. People come up here to write, get away from the... It's a Michael King Writers Centre, yeah. Yeah, so quite a good idea. Nice peaceful surroundings and a great view to go with it. So this used to be the signalman's house way back when they were operating the signal house up the top of the mountain by flags, I think, originally. And now it's a writer's retreat. Tomorrow is going to be different. Oh, there's a decent look around Devonport up to the top of the hill. And Nicola's taking me for walks, long walks, so if something happens to me and I'm not here.